As automotive electronic systems advance, semiconductor packaging becomes increasingly important. Based on its mass production experience in precision electronic components, MCNEX is expanding its manufacturing capabilities across SiP, CLCC, LGA, QFN, and BGA packages. The company is also strengthening OSAT and back-end process capabilities through final test and reliability testing infrastructure. Its Vietnam manufacturing base supports mass production, quality operations, and process traceability. With its India subsidiary in Sri City, MCNEX is expanding its global automotive electronics manufacturing footprint. MCNEX continues to strengthen semiconductor packaging-focused EMS, OEM, and ODM competitiveness.